Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser grill in the KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser grill. This grill is mounted at the bottom of the dispenser cavity. It collects small water spills. The main reason to replace the dispenser grill is if it's broken or is missing. To remove this grill, we need to just lift it out. Be careful, don't cut yourself. This is the old dispenser grill next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new grill, we're going to just drop it in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.